Purchasing a car is one of the major decisions you can make. You will be driving it out of your house for years, and for many of us, a car is a necessary component of daily life. The ideal automobile should be dependable, simple to drive, practical, and capable of protecting your dear ones in the case of an accident. However, if you buy the wrong model, you may wind up with a faulty vehicle that spends more time with a mechanic than it does outdoors. Hello and welcome to Rolling on Wheels. Be part of this channel by subscribing and clicking the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. Have you been asking yourself, what is the right car for me? You'll finally answer it in today's video. We put together a list of types of cars to help you make the smartest choice and pick the perfect vehicle for your preferences. Sedan. Sedans are an excellent choice for most car buyers, and they are the most popular body style on our roads today. The covered trunks provide security, and the rear doors provides back seat passengers with a convenient opening. A bonnet protects the engine and batteries on the front surface. There is also a baggage boot in the back of the vehicle. The roofs are fixed and they are horizontally stretched nicely over the second row seating before dipping down over the boot. 2 rows of seats are located on the interior of the vehicle. Sedans have 4 doors and a 3-box design, featuring 3 distinct compartments: an engine, a cabin, and a boot area. Sedans are often less expensive and provide superior mileage and handling. Because of their low center of gravity and proximity to the ground, they can easily handle sharp bends, which explains why they are less prone to tip over than SUVs. Because 4-door sedans are more comfortable than many other body designs, they are the most common kind of luxury car. If you're going for a commuter vehicle that can seat 2 or 3 people, the sedan is an excellent option. Its main disadvantage is that it can't accommodate more than 3 persons without sacrificing comfort. If you often travel with 4 or more people and legroom is a top priority, you may want to consider a crossover. Some examples of sedans are the Mercedes E500, Toyota Corolla, Volkswagen Passat, and Honda Accord. Hatchback. Hatchbacks are smaller cars known for their utility and style. But what makes a vehicle a hatchback is its rear door, which hinges at the roofline and lifts upward. Oftentimes, the rear seats can be folded down to provide additional trunk space. Some hatchbacks are 2-door and others are 4-door. The only defining feature is the way the trunk opens. The rear door is designed to open upwards to increase the cargo space. They are compact compared to other car types, such as SUVs. The hatchback should be at the top of your selection if you want a car that provides comfort, safety, and stable handling. Some of the popular hatchbacks on the roads now include the Toyota Echo, Ford Fiesta, Nissan March, Suzuki Swift, and the Volkswagen Golf. Coupe. Are you looking for a vehicle with far more performance and some everyday utility? The Coupe is an excellent option in such case. These 2-door cars rarely include rear seats, but they are realistically only a choice for drivers who generally travel alone or with one other passenger. This makes the Coupe a completely inefficient option if you have kids, but they provide typically snappy handling and outstanding performance, creating a unique driving experience on any trip. Coupes are 2-door, low-roof vehicles that have a fixed roof. Coupes are distinguished by their roofline, which starts to slope downward from the B-pillar to the boot. Coupes are intended to be stylish. Some feature 4 seats in a 2+2 configuration, although most are designed for 2 people. Second-row seating, if available, is generally too small for adult passengers. These 2-door vehicles are opulent and luxurious, with a well-balanced chassis, a light engine, and solid brakes. They have a lot of power and can steer quite effectively. Because they are always linked with the rich, you would expect their insides to be elegant and well designed. The Ford Mustang, Nissan Fairlady Z, and Mazda RX-8 are all popular coupes. Convertible. Be sure to look out the window first before deciding whether or not a convertible is a viable alternative. This is not a viable choice for drivers in commonly rainy or chilly regions of the country unless you have money to spend on multiple vehicles. But when the sun shines, there's nothing like dropping the retractable roof and feeling the sun and breeze brush against you. Convertibles, which can be luxurious or sporty, offer an unparalleled driving experience. These automobiles have a distinguishing character characteristic that sets them apart from other car kinds. Convertibles feature soft or hard retractable or folding roofs built from canvas, plastic, aluminum, or maybe even steel. The majority of convertibles are two-door vehicles. However, there are four-door luxury versions on the market. They may be converted from open-top to closed-top vehicles, thus their name. When folded, the roof occupies the majority of the cargo area. Convertibles include the BMW Z4, Honda S660, and the Mercedes-Benz SL Class Roadster. SUV. The rise in popularity of the SUV or sports utility vehicle might be the most significant phenomenon of 21st century transportation. This body design is essentially a cross between the agile handling of a compact coupe, and it has a higher sitting position, more room, and the power of a truck. SUVs have 5 or 7 seats and plenty of passenger and storage capacity. The SUV market is relatively big and frequently subdivided into small, medium, and large models, so there is lots of variety. SUVs can handle rough road conditions and rugged terrain thanks to four-wheel drive and high ground clearance. Models vary in price and size, and they are less fuel efficient than smaller crossovers and sedans. Meanwhile, they continue to be a popular family vehicle due to their capacity to accommodate up to 9 passengers while still towing a trailer and having spare cargo room. The Chevrolet Equinox, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Explorer are among the most popular SUVs. Crossover. Crossovers, often known as cross utility vehicles or CUV, are sedan SUV hybrids. They are based on a sedan platform, but include SUV-like characteristics such as high ground clearance and seating arrangement. Crossovers, unlike SUVs, should only be driven lightly off-road. Crossovers are offered a variety of drivetrains. They are capable of using rear-wheel, four-wheel, and all-wheel drivetrains. Crossovers are less expensive and consume less fuel than SUVs. They feature more cargo space as well as superior handling. The Ford Freestyle is an excellent example of a crossover vehicle. Other popular crossovers include the Jeep Compass, Acura MDX, Mazda CX-5, Mitsubishi Outlander, Peugeot 2008, and Nissan Rogue. Sportscar. This is the sort of vehicle that causes a conflict between the heart and the head. Sports cars are indeed a delight to drive on clear tarmac roads. Still, their limited interior room and storage, along with unimpressive traction in icy conditions, make them entirely unsuitable for everyday travel. Unless you're searching for a car that will continuously excite you, a sports car will drive your heart racing like nothing else. Chevrolet Camaro, Ford Mustang, and Chevrolet Corvette are 3 of the most popular sports vehicles on the road today. Designed for drivers who want to get the most out of their driving experiences, all of these automobiles are thrilling to drive. Truck. This body design is all on functionality, with plenty of cargo room and pulling strength. Pickup trucks are icons, sturdy, reliable, and increasingly equipped with the comfort amenities and cutting-edge technology seen in small cars. The long body has a lot of cargo space behind the cab that may be left open to the outdoors or fitted with a bed cover for extra security. Depending on the cab type, several models have 4 doors, providing lots of inner passenger space. Van. Looking for a vehicle that can accommodate a large family? Then there's the minivan to think about. With 7 or 8 seats and enough passenger and baggage capacity, this vehicle can ease much of the stress involved with transporting small children to swimming lessons or vacations to see relatives. They have a boxy structure with doors that are rectangular in shape. Vans are ideal for transporting people or luggage because of their high headroom and increased capacity, compensating for their lack of elegance. Full-size vans, passenger vans, and minivans are all available on the market. Nissan Quest LE, Toyota Sienna XLE, Nissan Urvan, and Subaru 360 are common van examples. Now that you learned all that, compare the vehicle options mentioned above and decide what kind of car you want. Often, folks want to get behind the wheel as soon as possible, but remember, choosing a car will be a laborious process. While shopping for a car, keep in mind that your time and efforts will pay off once you've purchased it. Best of luck with your search. As you hop out, please leave this video a like, share, and comment down below. See you on the next video.